In primetime news this evening, tropical storm Melissa to pound the island in coming hours.
Farmers dread dealing with Melissa just months after finally recovering from Beryl.
And residents of two St. Andrew communities worry they could be cut off from the outside world. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. That's a mouthful. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Kalisha. Well, you guys are talking about Tropical Storm Melissa, right? Well, JPS customers are being warned to brace for power outages, and Red Stripe, one of Jamaica's premier brands, releases report on its impact on Jamaica's economy. The details later on in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. Not much storm from the West Indies. It's another defeat, this time to Bangladesh in their ODI series. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Did you talk about the defeat? You wondered whether there could be a defeat yesterday. That was it?
Well, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how satisfied are you with the response of the local authorities in preparation for a hurricane, tropical storm Melissa?
And you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.